welcome back to another vlog, guys. So I'm on my way to Universidad de Manila to do a talk for this event for the Rotary something. Anyway, I posted about it on my Twitter account and my Facebook account, so it's just gonna be like an inspirational talk. And I brought with me a bunch of makeup, sobrang daming makeup over here because I'll be giving them away to the students who will be participating during the talk. So for my look today, super simple lang everything. For my brows, I used the new Pink Sugar Honey I'm Good eyebrow kit. So far, I'm loving it. And the shade I'm using is Sassy Brown. Maganda siya in fair. Ayan, very pigmented yung powder. Powder lang yung ginamit ko dyan, And then I also used the new lip crayon from These Lips Don't Lie and Project Vanity Tie Up. It is a matte lip crayon. Ito yung pink na sinasabi ni Liz na nakaka-brighten up ng look mo. So, yeah, that's my look for today. And then for my lash curler, I mean my mascara, Curl Fix mascara from Etude House. So, yun. Buti nga super lapit lang ng event. Kaya, oh, my sister's on her way too kasi she'll be taking photos and videos of me as usual.
She's also a very credible and trusted endorser. Brands ranging from cosmetics, fashion, and even food seek her endorsement. As she holds a huge following in social media. Already successful at a very young age, she plans to further hone her talents so as to become a role model and inspiration among the youth. And if I may take pride, estudyante ko po siya dati sa UST. So, as a professor, masaya ako kasi nakapag-produce ako ng isang successful na tumatanda na ako, isang successful na entrepreneur, and hindi ko na siya ma-reach ngayon. So, ayan. Yan yung anak ko ngayon, Miss Lindsay Leo Arneo.
Talk, guys. Kasi sobrang nakakapagod, but it was really fun. I'm here with my sister. We're eating here at Bonchon. Tonight may K Frost nila. Sakto lang. Ano sa? But for you? Trying this tonight, guys. This one is from Etude House. It's the Wonderpore Ultra Clay Pack. Tingnan natin kung okay siya. So I just added one layer on my face and medyo ano na siya, parang tingling sensation. Medyo mahapde sa parts na meron akong acne because I've been breaking out. Kasi magkakaroon na ako, kaya medyo PMS tayo ngayon. Pero I can feel it like tightening up na. Since it's a mud mask, talagang magta-tighten up and titigas yan later. Ayan. So, I'm really sorry if medyo putol-putol yung vlog ko today. Sobrang busy lang. Like, I had a really fun time at Universidad de Manila. Everyone was so, interactive. As in, sobrang saya lang. I gave away a lot of makeup and I met a bunch of really young people. Sobrang bata pa sila, 15, 16, 17. And, it's just really, nakaka-proud lang to be able to speak to a large group. It's always been one of my dreams to be able to speak to a large group and to actually, of course, inspire the youth. And yeah, so thank you so much to my professor, Sir Benedict, for inviting me to do the talk at Universidad de Manila. That was really fun. And after that, I had lunch with my mom and my sister, and then nag-ano lang kami, lakad-lakad lang kami sa SM Manila. I saw a few tweets from some girls saying they saw me sa SM Manila. Huwag kayong matakot, girls, lumapit sa akin at magpa-picture kasi promise, super okay lang sa akin and I actually love meeting you guys. And mag-vlog pa tayo if ever, diba? So, super bongga nun. Yan na, tumitigas na siya. And then after that, oh my gosh, lobat na yung vlogging kami. After that, I went apartment hunting with my mom and my sister. So, I've been staying in this apartment for like, siguro mga 2 years na, over 2 years na yata. And it's okay, but the thing is, there are some issues about it that I just don't think I can live with in the long run. So I had to look someplace else and I found this really gorgeous apartment somewhere closer to my home, to my parents' house, and that makes me really happy kasi sobrang lapit lang talaga. Like, if ito malapit, yun, mas malapit talaga yun. And I just was really super duper wowed when we saw the apartment. Tumingin kami, actually, we looked into a couple of apartments, tas parang iba-ibang style kasi siya. I love everything. So this is the view that I get to see every day if I get that apartment. I actually reserved it already, and it's just really amazing. I love that I have like access to sunlight, as in yung window. Ang laki ng window, guys. Ang laki-laki talaga. Natural lighting, and ang dami ko lang naisip na parang, oh my gosh, makeup tutorials na pwede kong i-film with natural lighting, ha. Kaya sabi ko, sobrang bongga. And it has like a partition. Bongga yung CR, bongga yung living area. I love it. I just really love it so much. Ayan, look, oh. Ayan, matigas na to, girl. So, ito mga, uy, magka-color sila. Ito mga gray, pasapa. I can feel it, eh. Pero ito, tigas na. Ayan, so, yun. Wait lang. This mask reminds me na kailangan ko mag-shopping sa Etude House and Leaders. Yun, last month ko na yun, eh. So, yun. So, I'm just really happy, guys. Yeah, that is it for my night. I am going to be capping off the night with this face mask. And, of course, How to Get Away with Murder. Super love ko yan, guys. That is it. Tomorrow is family day. I will see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Bye!